Hello children, now we will learn the tables from 9 to 99. If you know 2 to 9, 2 to 8, you have to by heart it, then it will be easy. If you know 2 to 8 tables, then you can find out the tables from 9 to 99. Now first I will show you 9, 19, 29, 39 like that. Once place 9 comes, then how to find out, okay? First, already I told you 9 stable, okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then what to do? From here, 0 to here, tens place is 0, 9, 1 is 9, okay, so tens place is 0. What is the next number of 0? 1. So, tens place you add 1, 1, okay, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, like that, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Now 19. How to find 19 stable? Okay. 19 stable also you have to write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now 19 stable. First will come tens place 19. Then here 1 is the tens place. What is the next number? 2. Now tens place you add 2, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Then 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Now you got 19 stable. Okay. Now I will show you 29. These are the tables of ones place 9. 29, 39, 49, 59 like that. So first what to do? Write 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now here 29 one is 29. Now 2 is the tens place. What is the next number? 3. So you add 3, 3. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29. See, 29 tens are 290. Is it clear? Now here 39, then 9 here, tens place is 3. Then you have to add tens place 3, 3, 3. So 3, 6, 9 like that will come. 49, then 4 is the tens place. So you have to add tens place 4, next number 5. 5, 5 add. Like that up to 99 you can find out. Okay. Now how to find? So 9s, ones place 9s are coming. You know it, how to find. Okay. Now I am showing you how to find the table of 32. What is the table of 32? 32. Ones place is 2 and tens place is 3. Ones place is 2 and tens place is 3. So first write tables 2. Table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Now here write 3's table. 3, 3 1 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay. Now see, these two take 3 to 32. 6 4, 64. 9 6, 96. 12, 8, 1, 2, 8. Okay, 128. Now here up to here only ones place one digit only. We can write only one digit. Now what to do? These two, its tens place and its ones place add, plus this tens place and ones place plus, everywhere plus, 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 plus. Now what will come? Here 0. 5 plus 1, 6, 1. Okay. 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Here 2, 1 plus 1, 2. 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Then here 2, 7 plus 1, 8. Here 3, 0 plus 2, 2. 32 10 is 320. Okay. Is it clear? Like this for all the tables. Now see 46. 46. Ones place is 6, tens place is 4. So you write 6 table here, ones place. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Now 4's table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now tens place we got, ones place we got. Now 46 table. First these two. 46. Ones place is only one digit. 46. Now this and this add. Okay. This and this add. This tens place tens and ones place tens both add. Tens place ones and ones place tens. Because 2 digit we can't write. Okay. Now what will come? 9, 2, 1, 3, 8. 1, 8, 4. Then 2, 3, 0. 2, 7, 6. Now see 8 plus 4, 12. So 1 carry. 8 plus 4, 12. Then 1 carry. So it will come 3 and it's 2, 2. Okay. Now 3, 6, 8. Now 6 plus 5, 11. So 1 carry, 4. 4, 1, 4. 4, 6, 0. You find out. Like this you have to do. Up to 99 you can do it very easily. Okay. Now I will ask like this questions. How to do this fast. Now 67. What is the table? 67 table. The 6 table right, 7 table right. Then 2 digits are there. Join it. Got it? Like that you find out. 67 into 8. What will come? 8. 67. 6 table. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. Now these two add. What will come? 5 3 6. 5 3 6. Now 98. 98 into 7. 98 into 7. So 9 7s are 63. 8 7s are 56. Now add this. What will come? 6 8 6. Got it? Like that you have to learn the 2 digits numbers And 3 digits also. If you know 2 digits numbers multiplication, then you can write this also. Okay. Thank you.